my channel, the most glam squad of all the squads. You know it's you. And this is my Shein haul. That's right, guys. I found out Shein has nail art stuff, and I ordered a bunch of crap. I had a little coupon code through Honey. Got some free shipping on that. So everything in this bag cost about $42, just under $42. And we are going to tip this bag out right now and see what's inside of it. Look at that. Now, I'm going to start off by saying straight up, not super thrilled with everything I got, but considering that almost everything I got was like $3 or less, I'm just going to accept what I got and figure out cool ways to use them. So let's go ahead, and you can see there are tons of things here. Let's start with this little piece right here. I thought when I saw the picture that they were little semi-transparent leaves, like real leaves. They are not. We're going to pop this open. Now this is, let me admit as well, this is a voiceover. I filmed this at my apartment, and I'm doing the voiceover at my daughter's house because it's more quiet here. So normally I would just talk live when I do an unboxing. That's not how it happened. So my emotions might not always meet what I say, and I know that you are going to get a chuckle out of that. So yay. So as you can see, these are just little like thin, I don't want to say cardboard, but like cardstock paper. And I know we're going to use them. I know we're going to get use out of them. It's just, that's not what I thought I was getting. And everything on that side is called a sticker. So I just thought I was getting dried flowers. That's not what I was getting. Okay, so here's another box of things that I thought were going to be little tiny dried flowers. They are not. They are little cardstock sort of punched out flower pictures. And they're cute, but that's not exactly what I was hoping for. We are going to find a way to use them. We are going to make cute nails with them. But I have to be honest and say I am a little disappointed, but honestly, it's Shein, you guys. I was not really expecting the highest of quality things, especially like I said, most of these things are under $3. So there's nothing to complain about here, even if it was $1 or $2. These are cute little things. And so we will figure out things to do with them. Even if I don't use them 100% on nails and I use them in other ways, they'll get used. They'll be enjoyed. I have a lot of grandkids. So, you know, we'll do some stuff with them. We'll do some stuff. Now, this is another box of flowers that, again, I thought might be real small dried flowers, but again, we've got little pictures, little punch outs. They're like punch outs of flowers. They're cute. Again, they're cute. But we're gonna make cute nails. We're gonna make cute nails. Now this one is exactly what I thought it was. When I saw it, I was like, oh, Fimo fruits. I've been wanting to get some Fimo fruits, and these are actually Fimo fruits. They're the Fimo clay. They're not super thick, but they're a nice thickness so that you're going to definitely be able to see them well in your nails. They're very bright, very colorful. This particular thing I would highly recommend. So if you're on Shein and you look up the Fimo fruits, check them out. They're nice. And I didn't look anything up per se. I just went through the pages and clicked on things I thought I would use. Now this one I thought was more like thinner glitter. They are thicker pieces. I'm not mad at it. They're so bright and iridescent, and I think I'm going to definitely make some cute nails with a bunch of this stuff. And one side is more like small round glitters and small star glitters. And then this other one is larger shapes. We've got leaves and circles and discs and flowers and just a lot of different cute things. So here's some rings or circles. Really think that we're going to get some use out of those. So I'm really excited about that. We'll see if the color like bleeds or anything when you put gel on it, right? Now this is a set of stickers. At first, when I first pulled them up, I thought maybe it was just that one sheet, and I was about to put it down, and I was like, no, open it. So here I am, I'm opening it. And sure enough, there's several sheets in here, and they are mostly different. You get a couple that are similar, right? But not 100% similar. Now that one I'm thinking to myself is probably bigger than a nail, and yeah, it pretty much is, but you could like cut it in half. Now, if these are stickers like the white stickers you're gonna see soon, I might not love these as much, but we'll see, we'll see. And we got a lot of snakes, and that one page was all like tattoo images, so get ready for some tattoo nails. I definitely would love to get a new tattoo and get a couple of my older tattoos spruced up. How about that? But these are going to be fun. I think most of their stickers are actually stickers. When I see nail stickers, oftentimes I wrongly assume that they mean water decals, but we'll see when we use these whether or not they are in fact actual stickers or water decals. Then I got this little French cutter. And at first I was confused. I was like, is that little shape where are you making that deep of a French? And then I'm realizing, no, dummy, it's that rounded part. I'm so freaking hilarious sometimes. I was laughing at myself so hard going, okay, all right. I don't think that's a very deep French though. And I like a deeper French smile line. So we'll see what we do with that. Now this one I'm kind of excited about, and I really wish they'd had more colors because this was only $1. And it's just those little pieces of shell or mother of pearl, or I'm not exactly sure, it said shell pieces. And they're very thin and very encapsulatable. I wouldn't recommend them to sit on top of a nail so much. You would definitely want to encapsulate these, but they're super pretty, and I think if you crush them into small pieces, you're going to get a really pretty look. So I can't wait to try these. And look how pretty that peachy color is with those blue nails. I think that would be something cute. Tell me in the comment section below if you agree, or what color you think that would look great with. Let me know. Now here, these are actual stickers for sure, because since I have done this actual filming this, I have used them. You're gonna see a video with that on Friday, so definitely hit that subscribe button. You don't wanna miss a video or a cheesy song maybe. Who knows? You never know what you're going to get when you show up. Now that I'm done struggling, almost done struggling, can she get it out? Can she do it? Maybe. Yes, she can. There it is. I'm trying to show you as much as I can what they look like. I feel like if they'd done black card behind it, it would show up better, but you can see there. Very celestial, but there's also some butterflies and hearts in there. Very cute, very star and moon and sun oriented. That's exactly what I was looking for when I saw them. I was like, had to have them. We'll discuss their quality in Friday's video. How about that? That'll get you coming back for more, right? Sorry. A little cheese. I hope you got some wine to go with that cheese. And this is from Joyful Nails. I'm sure you saw that on the card. We'll discuss the quality of those on Friday. So now the next thing we're going to grab is another sheet of stickers. I'm not sure if they're real stickers or water decals yet, because I'm not actually messed with them yet. You can see what they look like. There's only one sheet in there. It's hearts and moons and stars and constellations. There's actually constellations in there. So this is going to be fun if they work well, because sometimes stickers can be a pain. So, and that's Kieran, I think. Now these are eyeballs from Kiss Me nail stickers. I don't know what possessed me to get them, but I just had to. As soon as I saw the eyes, I was like, these are too cute not to get. I'm going to figure out a set with eyes. I'm not sure what all of the script says. I assume it's Chinese because this came from China, but they could be making it for another market, so it could be another Asian language. If you recognize it and you know what it is, and I'm pointing them out, please let me know in the comment section. I'd love to be able to look it up myself. But you can see there's some more script here. And again, if you recognize what it says, let me know. Let me know. Now, this is the first set of rings. We've got a couple more sets of rings. And these rings are really mostly just for the hand, except this set is actually stainless steel. They're not, you know, any kind of fancy silver or gold or anything, but stainless steel. And I thought I might wear them a little bit and see if they turn my finger green. So, and my daughter's got a stainless steel ring and she really likes it. So it was only like $3 and I was like, you know, they're cute. If I don't wear them, they'll be great for Carmen. And anyone who gets their nails done by me can wear them in pictures. They're big. So they fit me on mostly my middle finger and they look pretty cute. Let me know what you think. I'm not upset I got them at all. So now that I'm done admiring the ring, we're going to throw them on Carmen so you can see how they look on her. The little rings that are on there now are just the plastic rings that came from my Born Pretty stamping polish, but tell me they don't look cute on camera because they kind of do. So if they just fell off the lid of the jar or bottle rather, and I thought, oh, that'll fit on Carmen. Sure enough, it did. Now, this is funny, you guys, because see how pretty the stickers look right there? I thought that was the right side up. It is not. That is the sticky side of the sticker because the back is see-through, and there's the actual sticker. They're gold. I thought they were kind of that bronzy color. No, that's the glue. That's the glue. And the stickers themselves are gold. Now, it's just one image on a sheet. So we will have to cut out the things we want to use, but I think they're super pretty. Now, these brushes, I've not really used them yet. I'm excited to give them a try. I'm sure that they are just going to be not in my collection a super long time, but great for maybe cleanup and simple art deals, art projects, art whatevers. Art whatevers, guys, sorry. It came with these 4 dotting tools, which are double-sided, so you get 8 sizes, and that's really nice. And then the brushes themselves, the handles are very cheap plastic. The metal bits are very cheap. The brushes themselves, they definitely feel plastic and not hair at all, but they feel soft and like I'm going to be able to maybe use them a little bit. We've got some very fine detail brushes, a few longer striper brushes. There's a couple of fan brushes and a couple of brushes that look like you could maybe do like very small, you know, like florals or maybe even very tiny one-stroke flowers or pictures. So there's definitely, you know, some playing time coming up with these. And I've been needing some new brushes, especially some cheap ones, because you know, with the cheap ones, you're willing to do some stuff with them that maybe the more pricier brushes you'd hesitate to do. So it's just nice to have some inexpensive brushes around. And when they get ruined, I can put my hair up with them, right? I'm really good at like putting a stick in my hair and keeping my hair up. So they'll get used for a really long time. Now, this one did not have that little plastic sleeve on there, so it got bent. And so all I'm really doing is checking to see if it looks like they're going to straighten out if they get bent. And it looks like maybe if I just dip it in some hot water, it might straighten out. So I've not played with them since I did this video. That's definitely coming up though. So you'll recognize them when you see the video. like I said, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. So these are the two fan brushes, and these are going to be fun for like doing ombres or picking up glitters or all kinds of dry brushing, all kinds of stuff. This is a little metal piece with it's sort of a tear-shaped bulb on the end. I'm not sure what that's for. Do you guys know what that's for? Let me know. I have already used it to remove gel polish from around my cuticle. It worked really nice, so that might be what I use it for. But here we go. These are the flatter brushes that I was thinking maybe you could do more painting and art, actual art strokes with. So we'll see. We'll see how it all works out. I'm super excited. Now that we're done with the brushes, here are the other two packs of rings that I had mentioned earlier. One is silver and one is gold. We're going to open the gold ones first. I had been keeping my eye open at certain stores that you go in to see if I could find any little packs of rings. And so when I saw these, I was like, definitely going to grab those. Excuse me. I like that there's a lot of different sizes. You can put them up and down the finger and just get some really nice looks for taking pictures and things. You're never going to fool anybody into thinking these are high quality rings, but on camera they don't have to be perfect. You just really want a little something to give the fingers some visual interest. I also had started loading brushes. I had started loading tips on her to start doing art actually on Carmen. So start looking forward to seeing her more often in the videos. I did start one. I've not quite finished it yet. So maybe next week we'll see. I wasn't really happy with how things were coming out. Oh, and look at that cute little snake. Look at that cute snake ring. I think we need to combine that with the snake stickers. Anyway, I want to use Carmen more. I want to use her more in pictures. I want to practice my polishing on her because that really forces you to be careful around the cuticle section. So definitely look forward to seeing her more. I just need to figure out the best way to set her up so that you see her well and I see her well and everything looks good on camera. I'm still trying to figure all of that out. But I really think that these rings are going to give her more of a fancy look when we do use her. Guys, this is the entire haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a good time. If you're curious about Shein, I say it's hit and miss, but go ahead and give it a shot. It's not that expensive. Be sure that you come back Friday for another video, and we will see you then. Mwah! Bye-bye.